Hey everybody, drum tech drummer and online educator Kenny Sharretts coming to you with a kit unboxing for the new Rogers Powertone. And this is kind of like a pre-video session where I'm going to kind of check out the kit for the first time and do a little setup so I can get ready to record a drum tuning video for y'all, as well as demo this awesome new Powertone kit. Now the thing I've heard about the Powertones is that they are a thicker shell with a 5-ply shell, full 5-ply shell with another 2-ply re-ring, and they get a thicker, darker, richer, deeper tone. So I'm super excited to see these, but I figured I'd take you through a journey I haven't done before, which is do an unboxing with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this safely while it's up here. Yes. And then cut away from myself on this side. And then we're gonna go ahead and take this down here. And let's take a look at the Powertone kit they sent me. I'm super excited, y'all. Hey. All right, we got some floor tom legs here, man. Let's see what we got going on with this. These are, oh, hey. Hey. All right. And I like to save the paper if I can, make it nice, especially since this kit is not coming with me. It's just a kit I'm gonna be checking out. But I'm super excited about it, y'all, because I'm a big Rogers fan. And to see this kit rebirth, the Powertone kit's rebirth, the 5-ply shells, the thicker, richer, darker sound, man, I'm super duper excited about it. Ha-ha! All right, now I assume that this is probably the mounting hardware here. So I'm gonna take a look here. Because on this kit, they actually have a tom mount, like the old Rogers Swivel-matics. Now, it's not a Swivel-matic system, it's a modern design system, or a new modern system. But I am correct, we have all the parts here to get it going. And we have the new tom arm right here. Oh, super excited, y'all. So excited, I'm like holding off on the drums because I want to know just what we got going on here. Now I'm gonna give this a little cut. See if we can get this bad boy out. Oh yes, the new tom holders are nice, y'all. So we're gonna check those out when we put the kit together. And of course we have the system for all the tension rods that go in there. I'm not gonna unbag that until it's time to put it together. But I figured I'd give you all a look at what this kit comes with so you can kind of check it all out yourself. Now again, I'm super excited. By the way, there's some memory locks for your floor tom legs in there. So here we go to the next level, which is pulling this beautiful drum out of there and getting this going, y'all. Oh, kids. Oh, kids. Now this is a beautiful, beautiful finish, y'all. And I am super stoked to be checking out this kit. Now this is the finish of my Thundertone snare drum. And so I know these are gonna look really well together. Let's see what we got going here. This is bagged all the way around, tied on over here. I don't like to tear through things. I like to make it nice, neat. Oh, look at that, just as gorgeous as my Thundertone, y'all. The silver and gold, when I first saw it, I wasn't dead sure, man. It just wasn't dead sure. But over time, it is, once I saw it in person, and over time, it has not only grown on me, but once I saw it in person, I was like, okay, that's gorgeous. Can't argue with it. So we're gonna toss this over here, right out in that area, and make sure that we can get to what we need to get to. Huzzah. All right, y'all, let's take a look at what's in this bass drum case. Oh. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. All right, here's the drum heads that are gonna go on the drum. Pop those out in a moment, but I wanna take a look at this shell. All right, here's everything coming at you. I assume this is just the cap baffle that keeps this drum transported well. So that's a beautiful thing, because you know that they're really gonna pack it well because they care, because this is a nice drum set, y'all. Oh my God, what we got going on here. All right, we have our gold hoop. I'm gonna slide that one out of this little slot because I wanna see it in person. Looks absolutely beautiful. Do they seal it in, or does it have a little open side? There's the side that opens. Come on. Oh, nicely, nicely, and nicely. Ha 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 ha. Oh wow, they did a really good job on this. Look at this, man. They are just killing it. Head to toe, this looks amazing, y'all. A nice Nice sparkle finish on this hoop. Super excited about this, so let's see what we got going on here. All right, next up, the 12-inch tom. Now this is great because I'm gonna be doing the 12-14 kit, kind of like the cocktail that I have in my Covington series kit. So I get to experience the other side of this in terms of what the 5-ply shells are gonna be like versus the 3-ply shells of the Covington. Ooh, new Rogers tom mount, new Rogers tom mount, I like it. This is a different look, and look, you can go either way. You can do it sideways, or you could do it in the center, so you can kind of mount this tom any way you please. And again, look at that finish, it's just gorgeous. And one of the things I like about these Rogers kits is they come with some decent Remo heads, so you got a nice set of heads to work with from the beginning. However, I'm gonna preserve these heads, so I'm gonna put some 2-ply heads on it and see if I can get some of that old school sound I loved when I was a kid growing up, with all the other drummers who had these Rogers kits, and they usually had like late 60s holidays or some of the early 70s kits that really just, what they call them, Powertones. And there were 5-ply shells, and they just had a magnificent tone. Oh my God, y'all, this is gorgeous. And you know, it's a 14 by 22 kick, y'all, and look at that beauty. And it's funny, a lot of people I know, like Michael Urbano and Tommy Taylor, this is the perfect kick for them. Why do it any different? As Tommy Taylor once said, why reinvent the paperclip? This is the perfect size bass drum. So I'm excited to be checking this 22 out. Y'all, look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we have a silver hoop to match, y'all. So this is gonna be just an absolutely beautiful build. And I'm super excited about getting this put together for y'all so y'all can hear what these massive tones sound like. Come on. Boom, super delicate, the silver hoop, and again, flawless finish, beautiful setup, nice flat round for the mounting side, nice rounded side for the claws to catch on. So I'm super already anticipating a nice kit because this is already put together really well, y'all. So please keep your eyes out for my upcoming video on the Powertone, where I not only review it, but show you a whole bunch of tunings you can get with this lovely 4-piece kit, including some bass drum tunings, as well as some other videos coming up. Keep your eyes out at YouTube, Kenny Sharretts, and KennySharretts.com for all your drum tuning needs, y'all.